everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. If you like to wear simple outfits and are fond of plain kurtis, then you must invest your 2 minutes to watch this video. Here I am showing you few plain designer kurti patterns. This will give you an idea to style your plain kurtis with different types of bottoms and dupattas. So continue watching till the end.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.